Is duct cleaning a scam? Are they ripping you off? In today's video, I'm going to explain everything. You're watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / Homeowners. I'm Tad. Let's go. First, I need to answer your question. Is duct cleaning a scam? Yes and no. First, is it a scam? Yes, because there's companies out there that are offering duct cleaning as a service, but they're not really doing a good job. And they're actually charging the customer and giving them nothing. Story time. Let me explain. This is how the scam looks. I get a call from a friend. He says, hey, there's somebody over here that says they're doing a duct cleaning for $200 to $400 and they're doing it in 15 minutes. Does this sound right? I said, no, duct cleaning takes half a day at least. And it's much higher, much more expensive than $200 to $400. They said, can you come over here? I said, absolutely. I'll be there in a minute. I rush over. I said, where are they at? They're upstairs. I go upstairs and there's a man standing where I am right here beside the filter. They have the grill open. The filter is out and there's an air scrubber that's a box on wheels with a handle. There's a filter inside the box with a fan and it pulls a negative pressure. They've got a duct attached to that air scrubber and it's sitting right here where the return grill is. The unit's off and it's just running. And what they do is they've got a clean filter that they show the customer and they've got a dirty filter. And they run that machine for 15 minutes, secretly change out that clean filter to a dirty one, and then they say, look at all the dust that was in your unit. Here's my money, $200, $400, and then they move on. That's what the scam looks like, and that's not a good duct cleaning company. Now, what does a real duct cleaning look like? Now that we've got the scam out of the way, what's a professional duct cleaning and what's involved? Let's talk about how much it actually costs. Most duct cleaning companies that are actually offering a professional service, they're not charging less than $500. They're charging upwards of $1,000 per system. Some systems are going to be even more. They could be $1,200. It could be $2,000 because you've got 2 duct systems, because you have 2 air conditioning systems. How long does it take? Most companies are not going to be in and out in under 4 to 6 hours. So it's going to take a minimum of a half a day, 4 to 6 hours, and it could take 1 to 2 days, depending on how many duct systems you have, how large the duct system is, or how many air conditioners you actually have. Now that we've talked about how long it should take and how much it could cost, what are they actually showing up with? What does their machinery look like? Well, it doesn't look like that scammer's machinery. It's not that little box on wheels. It's itty bitty. Now, there are some duct cleaning machines that are like portable that you can roll in, but you've actually got a brush on the end and you've got like 20 or 30 foot of hoses and they've got this bag they put on it. It's actually got a big motor, and while it's brushing the inside of the duct, it's actually sucking in that dust. So there are companies out there that do have these $10,000 or $20,000 machines they do roll in your house. Some of the best duct cleaning companies out there actually have a large truck or a box truck or a van. And it's actually got this machine built in. And they've got these giant tubes, right? These giant pipes. And they actually come in, and what do they do to be able to clean your duct? Let me show you. Most reputable professional companies, to be able to actually clean your duct system, they're having to cut holes in your ductwork. They usually cut these square holes in your square duct, or maybe it's round duct. They have to cut a square hole or a round hole in your round duct. And they're having to clean not just one of your trunks, but 2 or both of your trunks. You have a return duct. This is what brings the air into the unit from the house through your filter. And then they have a supply duct. And this is what supplies the air back into your house. Either supplies that cold air or that hot air, depending on the operational mode, depending on the season, summer or winter, cool, heat. So they're actually having to cut a hole on maybe one end of your duct over here, right? On the very end or on the bottom, usually on the end, and then feed that trunk or their pipe all the way into the other side. And then they turn it on and then they bring it back and they go back and forth. That's what a professional does. They do the same thing with your return. Now this is metal duct, right? We've got metal trunk and we've got metal round branch ducts. Can you clean flex? No, you cannot. It'll tear it to pieces. So before you say, do I need a duct cleaning? Check and see, do you have flex ductwork or is it metal? Because if it's metal, then yes, you can have a good duct cleaning done and it won't tear up your ductwork. Don't try to clean flex. Just tear it out, rip it out, and reinstall new flex or new metal piping. After the professional company cuts a hole in your return trunk and your supply trunk, they will then patch those holes and they will seal them properly. That way your ductwork doesn't have any air leaks. Now, how do you know when you need a duct cleaning? Here's the first place to check. You take your filter grill, you open it up, take your filter out, you look in your return box. This is where your air comes from your home into the first part of the trunk. This is the return trunk, where the air comes from the house into the actual unit, right? So you look in here, you see, is there a bunch of dust and dirt and debris in my return? Because this is what I can see. This is where the dirt goes first. And if this is all dirty, then this is just a representation of what your actual duct looks like. Because if it goes in here, then it travels through that duct system, the entire duct system. Now, where do we check next? All right, now, here's another place you can check. You see this? This is your supply register. This is where your air blows from the supply trunk, from the air conditioning system into the home, blowing the cold air, the warm air. Now, if you look down in here, this is your boot, right? Look in there. And if it's dirty, it's got a lot of debris, then you can vacuum it out, but you might need a duct cleaning. Another way to find out if you need a duct cleaning is if you're having a lot of dust that's actually blowing out of your vents, maybe even all of your vents, then that might be an indication you might need to get a duct cleaning. Call a professional duct cleaning company. Ask if they offer a free inspection, because now you know how much it costs, how long it takes, and what's involved, so you're not going to get scammed. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something. If you did learn something, let me know what it was down in the comments. You got a question? Remember, questions can lead to new content. But if you don't have a question, that's okay. Let me know who you are and let me know where you're from. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / Homeowners. I'm Tad. This is Taddy Digest, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.